Guys, welcome back to yet another video, and in today's video we are preparing some Irish deep fried pan Irish. So let me show you the whole process, the recipe, everything you need to know, and in the description section I'll show you the prices of everything, and these things are always available in your local market. So yeah, let's get into the video.
Oh my mate, hey, you made a permanent home in my head. You moving like a goddess, come my way, my way, my way. Your hips on the move, only a real one can do what you do. I caught a body, but you was the shooter. Yeah. Shot me down one time, now you wanna hug me down long time. Funny how the love can change sometimes. So we say, hey, back off a bago. I'm pulling up on you. Let me show you my world. She told me that I make her feel alive. I can see the goodness in your eyes. We can take a trip, just you and I. You got it. Oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my.
Adicto a ti, mi flaca. Tu cuerpo sacude como un maraca. Te miro y miro, so sube y baja. Como en Caracas bailamos al ritmo del bajo y la caja. Y tú mi África, yo tu casino en América. Quiero bambino contigo, ma. Te beso bien suave en el limón, ma. Quiero con vino limón, no sé. Tu cuerpo es un carnaval, yeah. Tus ojos trascendental. Y tu espíritu natural me enamora.
So what we are going to do now is to boil this Irish for like some 10 minutes, but to know that it is ready. We don't want it to be soggy or fully ready because we are going to deep fry it. We want it to be half cooked. So we put salt, we add our garlic for flavor, if you have like rosemary, thyme, those flavor, basil and cinnamon, you can just put big bunch of them so that you can have flavorable Irish. But for now I only have garlic, and it's what I'm going to use. So let's give them some 10 minutes to boil.
África tropical, amor internacional. Tenemos presidencial, la vista I can see the goodness in your eyes. We can take a trip, just you and I. You got it. Oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my.
I'm going to use the same normal ingredients we have in our kitchen. In the market they are cheap. We are going to use cooking oil, bell peppers, these sweet peppers, the red ones, garlic, green peppers, onions, and is this like cornmeal? Cornmeal is called what? Coriander? I think it is coriander. Is it? You will correct me in the comment section. So let me cut them. We are not going to cut them in small pieces. We are going to cut the bigger ones. Bigger ones for flavor. Never throw away these ones. So when you have finished everything, you can use them. You can put them in water, add salt, and make a vegetable broth or vegetable soup. That soup can be used in anything, be it chicken, be it rice and spaghetti, pasta. Because most people call spaghetti pasta. Isn't it the same thing? Is it? So in the kitchen, don't be limited always spice up everything. You can add carrots, you can add anything you want. Yeah, our Irish is ready. I'm going to use vegetable oil to deep fry this Irish. So let's wait for the cooking oil to get ready. This is the garlic. I'm not going to chop it. I want a paste, not chopped garlic, so I'm just going to blend it. I want a little bit of paste, not too much texture, so I'm going to add a little bit of water, just a little bit, very little. I need the paste, not the chunks of garlic. So in this paste you can add your ginger, you can add any other herbs you want, but I have only garlic, so I'm not going to be fancy about it. Don't ask me where I got this little blender. Our potatoes are getting ready, so we can be frying these other ingredients, adding in our onions. We are not going to fully cook them, it's like we are going to half cook them. We have to keep checking our Irish. We want it to be crispy, but not too crispy, because we are going to pan fry them in these other ingredients. When the onions are almost getting ready, we add our garlic, our minced garlic. We add our other ingredients, the green pepper, the bell peppers, and a little bit of coriander leaves over.
Oh my, can't wait to show you off.
I'm putting a little bit of ginger as a spice. A little goes along. Rosemary and black pepper. And salt. This is a special ingredient. It's not really special, but we are not using tomatoes, but we are using the paste. So in this case I am using ketchup. It adds more flavor to the dish. So let everything infuse. Our Irish is ready. When our Irish is ready to be deep fried, it is on the how you want it to be crisp. Muluganda bagamba batya nga bukaze nga bwe bwagala. How is that even said? Nga bukaze nga bwe bwagala. Anyway, when it is on your desirable crispness, that is when you will put it in the what? In our sauce, our special sauce.
She told me that I make her feel alive. I can see the goodness in your eyes. We can take a trip, just you and I. Oh my, oh my, oh my.
Very ready. It takes a few minutes. So we are just going to transfer it, serve it, and we enjoy.
Oh my, oh my mate, hey, you made a permanent home in my head. You moving like a goddess, come my way, my way, my way. Your hips.
You can dash a little coriander on top for decoration.
Girl, damn. Shot me down one time. Now you wanna hug me down long time. Funny how the love can change sometimes. So we say, hey, back off the bago. I'm pulling up on you. Let me show you my world. She told me that I make her feel alive.
So we have come to the end of the video. This food is going somewhere else. So it is going somewhere. So that sums up our video. Thanks for watching. Please show me some love, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell notification. What? Hope